Hello amazing viewers, today I'm gonna unbox crystal jelly candies. So let's go! Here are the crystal candies. Root beer cherry, blueberry, cranberry apple, green apple, at the beginning help.
Luscious lychee.
Luscious lychee. So yeah. Are there any more? That's all. So it's eating time. Hopefully they'll taste good. I want to try this one, but I don't know what the white ones are. So wait. No, I'm not doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing this one.
Sige na. Eat na. Try nyo na. Yes, excited na kayo sa crunch niya.
Hopefully they will taste good. Here's how it looks like. Okay, I'm scared.
Malinis naman ang hands niya, no?
Yeah. Hopefully they will taste good. Listen to the crunch.
You don't like it?
Yes.
Now I'm going to try this crystal. Do you hear it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try what Allaena tried.
Uh-oh. The only thing I don't really like about this is about the jelly. Sorry for my voice crack.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, but the only thing I don't like is the jelly inside.
I don't think Allaena likes the texture.
And the feeling when it crunches.
It's not that bad.
How do you like that one? Are you done now? Should I turn it off?
Turn off. The flavor is really good. It's like fruity. Sometimes, you know, the texture is not for everyone. Like for Allaena, she didn't really like the fact that it's crunchy outside and jelly inside. For her, it was weird. But for me, it's just fine.
So I'm gonna try the cranberry one. Yeah, cranberry apple. Hopefully it will taste good. I'm just gonna take a little piece. The white part is okay, but the jelly part though is making me hate it.